Good day, everyone. Me llamo Rovelyn Modina Asio, BS Ed Math 1B. And this video, we will learn about the rules of logarithm. A sum of two logs becomes the log of a product. Example, log base 3, 9 plus log base 3, 27 is equal to log base 3, the quantity of 9 times 27 because bases must be the same. So a difference of two logs becomes the log of a quotient. So log base 232 minus log 2 base 2 8 is equal to log base 2 32 all over 8. Kani ana ba ito dito basta mahimo tag single log. Kung ang single log kung himo na to sila single log, ang minus mahimo siya og fractions. So another example is a multiple of a log becomes a log of a power. So 2 log base 5 7 is equal to log 5 7 to the power of 2. So a sum. In short, these three examples is first, log of 2 becomes a log of a product. So, ang sum, gihimo na to siya og product. Product means multiplication. Second is difference of two logs becomes log of a quotient. So, ang difference means multiplication, gihimo na to siya og quotient, which is divide. And a multiple of a product becomes a multiple of a power. Ganong multiple of a power man? Kay gihimo na to ang multiplication, gihimo na to og power. Next, sample problem. This sample is to exercise our brains to get how to get the sum of a product, sum of quotient, sum of a power, log of a powers, or whatsoever. Here's example to expand our learn. So 3 log base 7x plus log base 7, the quantity of x plus 1 minus 2 log base 7, the quantity of x plus 2. So, 3 log base 7 times is equal to log base 7 x to the power of 3. This situation, the multiple becomes a power. Next, 2 log base 7, the quantity of x plus 2 is equal to log base 7, the quantity of x plus 2 is equal to the power of 2. So, that situation, the difference, the sum, become a the multiple become a power. Next example is log base 7 x to the power of 3 plus log base 7, the quantity of x plus 1 is equal to log base 7, the quantity of x to the power of 3 times x plus 1. So, that is a multiplication. So, a difference. Log base 7, the quantity of 3x minus x plus 1 minus log 7, the quantity of x plus 2 raised to the power of 2. So the answer of this is log 7, the quantity of 3 to the power of x to the power of 3 times the quantity of x plus 1 is minus log 7 x plus 2 to the power of 2. That is a difference become a quotient. So we already done about the rules of logarithm, which is the sum becomes a product, difference become a quotient, and the multiple become a power. So we have to proceed to the exponential fractions. The exponential fractions has the form of f, the quantity of x is equal to ab to the power of x raised to the power of x. That is the formula of exponential fractions. So a is the beginning or initial amount, and b is the base, the factor that represents the rate of increase, and x is the exponent, often representing a period of time. So a logarithmic functions is the logarithmic functions has the form of f, the quantity of x, is equal to log base b x. So b is the base, x is the number, and f of x is the log or disguised exponent. So, difference jud sila kay ang exponential is f of x is equal to ab raised to the power of x, and the logarithmic functions is f of x is equal to log base b of x. So, let's proceed to the graphs of exponential fractions. So, log graphs din ta. So, the graph of fx is equal to f raised to the power of x. Kay ang exponential na siya. So, has the characteristic shape of if x greater than 1, the graph raises quickly. So, kung ang f is greater than 1, so quick jud iyang pag-raise, so pa-up, pa-right. If 0 less than b less than y, the graph falls quickly. What is falls? Pa down. So pa left na siya. So unless translated, the graph has y-intercept of 1. So different jud siya sa greater o less than, kay kung moadto ta sa b is greater than 1, so ang raise niya quickly, so pa babaw. Kung less than, pa falls, which is pa down. So different pud siya sa graph of logarithmic functions. So the example of this is the graph of f of x is equal to log base b of x. So has the characteristic shapes, which is the domain of a functions is x greater than 0. So unless translated, the graph has an x intercept of y. So the translating the graph. Both exponential and logarithmic functions can be translated. So dili jud siya pwede nga dili siya ma-translated. So always jud siya translated. So the vertical and the horizontal slides will show up in predictable places in the equations, just as for parabolas and other functions. So the translating graph, I always both exponential and logarithmic functions can be translated. Di siya pwede nga di siya ma-translated. And here is the shifted 1 unit right and 3 down, and the other one is shifted 6 units and left and 4 up. To solving the exponential functions. lisod-lisod yun siya gamay. So, if possible, express both sides as powers of the same base and equate the exponents and then solve. So, here is the example of exponential functions. Equations. To 27, the quantity of 3 raised to the power of x plus 1 that is equal to 9. 2x minus 7. Why? Ganuning naman siya. Because we have to equate the exponents. Sorry. Error. Kay if possible, express the both sides are the powers of the same bases. Kay the same bases man siya. So we have to equate the equations. So 3 raised to the power of 3. Nganong na raised to the power of 3 may because 27 is equal to 3 times 3 is equal 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is equal to 27. The quantity of 3x raised to the power of x plus 1 is equal to always tara siya. Always tara siya. So 3 raised to the power of 2 kay ang 9 gihimo na to siya og gi-equate na to siya to exponents. Mo tong gihimo na to siya 3 to the power of 2 and then 2x minus 7 gi-copy ra nato. Kay nahimo naman siya gingana gi-equate na sab nato siya gi-solve para makuha ang answer sa x. So 3 raised to the power of 3 plus x plus y is equal to 2 to the quantity of 2x minus 7. Ang iyang exponent gisagol na to siya. So gi-add pod sa pikas. So gihimo na to siya og 3 raised to the power of x plus 4 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 4x minus 14. Nganong 4x minus 14 naman siya kay 2 times 2 is equal to 2x minus 2 times negative 7 is equal to negative 14. Og ang kaning pikas is simple. Gi-add ra na pod nato siya. So, x plus 4 is equal to 4x minus 14. O combine like terms. Combine like terms. No. Kuanda ay kana ang 4 is equal to 3x minus 14 tapos 18 gi-combine nato siya dito sa pikas to nimo na siya og 18 is equal to 3x. So ma-divide man siya, visible man siya sa 6 o 3 mo to ang x atong gikuha ang 3 kay 3 divided by 3 is equal to x. Ipabili na lang x. So gihimo na siya, gikuha na to siya. And then 6 times divided by 3 is equal to 6. So easy ra kay siya. So solving the exponential function, if it is not possible to express both sides are powers of the same base, take the log of each side using any convenient base. Use rules for logs to break down the expressions, isolate the variables, and evaluate and check. To solving the exponential functions, solve, take the log of each side, use rules of logs, isolate and the variables, and evaluate and check. Any convenient base can be used, and since you'll want to use your calculator, that will probably be 10. And that's all for today. I hope you have some learn and then enjoy my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to become updated in my new video. Thank you.